How has COVID-19 affected you and the people around you? Up until today, the global COVID-19 pandemic has caused the death of more than 5 million people. Thankfully, artificial intelligence could help in fighting this pandemic and so many other areas since it produced rapid, accurate predictions 20 times more quickly than a doctor. However, efforts to utilize AI have been slow and hampered due to the fears of privacy breach, which prevented hospitals from sharing data with each other. Imagine the thousands of lives that could have been saved if there was a way to safely share data between parties. With LifeLink, we solve this problem with the use of blockchain and federated learning.
So, what is LifeLink? LifeLink is a blockchain-based federated learning platform that aims to make the most out of patient data for the use of AI in medical research. But why blockchain, you may wonder? Well, even though federated learning could help protect more privacy by enabling hospitals to train their data locally, but still, the solution does not convince hospitals due to the risk of first, privacy leakage via communication model updates, and second, vulnerability to malicious attack. That's why blockchain could perfectly fit in. With a decentralized platform, both research companies and hospitals could benefit from a more consistent, indisputable way for health data exchange with fair reward among each participant. Now, let's see how LifeLink could actually help. Meet PathAI, a research company that predicts the severity of COVID-19 patients to design more suitable treatments. So firstly, as a task owner, PathAI will send the request, including their AI model on prediction of COVID-19 severity, to LifeLink. Then, our platform will signal to a network of healthcare providers, known as data owners, including hospital, telehealth, and wearable devices companies. These participants will perform local training on that AI model with their own health data. And after training, they will send their model outcomes to LifeLink, and then we, the validators, will evaluate their utility points and finally give it back to PathAI. So thanks to LifeLink, getting a more accurate AI model for COVID-19 severity prediction only takes 6 easy, privacy-oriented steps.
Okay, so next, let's head over to our tech department and take a peek inside the coverings. Decentralization is key. Trust no one to decide the fate of our data and reward. So LifeLink separates concern into 3 components. Our central servers, the sole untrustworthy part, are reduced to a secondary role, and any downtime from us will have 0 effect on the blockchain network. Zooming further in, design choices have been made to best optimize the routine. Building on the Sawtooth framework, we inherit the POET consensus, one that ensures transparent update and leaves no doubt about unhandled dealings and partiality during training and reward sharing. Oh, and it's energy efficient to boot. On top of that, every participant is inside a reputation score, giving LifeLink self-healing power in case of a malicious attack and a metric to determine which data silos need help in data processing and storage. Packaging all of this inside a distributed ledger with detailed timestamp story and say goodbye to dubious module updates and virtually non-existent recovery capabilities, expect a smooth, stable ride when you hop on board. AI in healthcare is $1 billion market worth investing in, and until 2030, its compound annual growth rate will increase by 38.1%. Besides, we also have a wide network of potential stakeholders, including healthcare data providers such as hospitals and clinics, and healthcare agencies such as pharmaceutical companies, medical equipment manufacturing companies, etc. So you might wonder, how do we earn our revenue? As you can see in step 2 and 3, healthcare research agencies will pay service to LifeLink by long-term project or by monthly subscription, and we will distribute service fees to healthcare data providers based on the utility scores. So is there still room for LifeLink to enter this game? The answer is yes. Our key takeaway is that no model like LifeLink exists in Southeast Asia, as some current centralized platforms are not fully privacy-oriented. We also anticipate many technical risks such as heterogeneous data and computational expensiveness. As a new startup, we might face business risks such as stiff competition over reputed companies and also slow platform adoption. However, with risk mitigation measures and a strong unique value proposition, we believe that LifeLink is an innovative product that promotes no-compromise privacy, stability, and reliability, and an incentive-driven methods.
LifeLink constantly moving towards a more connected and safer world.
Thank you for listening.